Hey there, Pauline here from Subtl Beauty, back with another Zodiac makeup installment. All right, so it is end of Taurus season, meaning we have just entered into Gemini season. I have a ton of Gemini friends, so I'm really excited to do this look inspired by them. Geminis are known to be playful, outgoing, curious, very spontaneous and fun. And so I kind of want to do a look that's inspired by that today. So stay tuned to see how it's going to come to life. So I was thinking for this look, I'm literally just going to go for like whatever I see first and be a little spontaneous with my choices, because I think I need a little bit more of that energy in my life. I'm a Taurus, I'm very like slow and steady, but I like my Gemini friends for the fact that they influence me otherwise. So I have all my stacked pieces out over here, and I'm just gonna kind of like go with what I'm feeling. I do have a base of foundation on, but I don't have any concealer, so I'm feeling some concealer. So let's go ahead and start there. Always feel like I can apply with my hands with this, which I love. Should probably be looking in my mirror too. So I forgot that I had this, but I have a deeper concealer shade from Subtl. What I just used was Arlington, but I do have their shade Bloomfield, and I'm actually gonna use that as a bit of a cream contour today. I haven't done this in a minute, but I'm really excited to show you how cool this can be. You just have to find a shade that's a little bit deeper than normal, and you can literally build your contour line out so easily with concealer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye. So now I'm gonna go over that cream contour and set with a bronzer. I'm using the shade Warm here. This is gonna look really beautiful over that cream. And you already have your line kind of outlined for you, which I love. Okay, and the first lip and cheek that I just saw was perfectly pink, so we're gonna go ahead and use her. I'm gonna just go with my first idea. I'm actually gonna use her on my eyes first. I'm gonna try to do like a cream pink base with this, and then I'm gonna add some of the glitter eyeshadow that Subtl just came out with. We're trusting our instincts here. I think that's the one thing I really admire about Geminis, is they're very confident in the decisions they make, even if they are spontaneous. They go with it, they ride with it, they rock with it. And I appreciate that energy. Also, they're just fun, and I think this pink color is just really, really fun, especially for summer. I just saw this Plum lip and cheek, and I think I could maybe put this in my outer corner a little. I've never done this before, so whew. The Taurus in me is like, whoa, we should have planned. But YOLO. I think Geminis are very, very much a YOLO sign. Oh, cute. Okay, okay. Maybe we'll add that extra here. And for eyeshadow, the first one that I picked up, I think this will actually work really well, is the Jelly shadow. So I'm going to use the shimmer part of Jelly to add some really pretty shimmer on top. I've never done this on top of a lip and cheek shade, but let's see. I think it's gonna stick pretty well, but you can still blend, which is nice too. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, Gemini instincts are not totally off yet. I'm gonna use this as my highlighter too, because we're just going with our instincts. We're being spontaneous and fun, now going with our makeup. Okay, Jelly is doing some work here. And I just saw my red lip and cheek, so let's add the Riveting Red to our lips. Might add some of that perfectly pink back onto this, just in the middle, to really highlight and give us that fun, pretty pink back. Okay, this was a very spontaneous look. I'm gonna do my mascara and eyebrows, and I think our Gemini-inspired look will be complete. I lied, I wanted to add a little bit more of something. I just saw this deeper shade in the Dune Duo, and I want to bring this on top of my lash line just a little bit. I think as a makeup artist, a lot of times you see a look and you'll try to recreate it like exactly as is. But I think we forget like the fun of makeup can really just be playing around and trying things that maybe you didn't try before. So I'm kind of loving this. Just gonna clean up the outer corners a little. Okay, now we're gonna do the mascara. Gonna buff my brows out real quick. Hey, here we have our Gemini spontaneous, fun, outgoing look. Again, this kind of was all over the place, but I feel like we brought it in. Like, it's a look, it's a vibe. So I hope that this inspires you to channel your inner Gemini, whether you're a Gemini or not. I think this is a really fun approach to playing with your makeup, getting to know your stacks a little bit more, and we can't wait to be back with more of these as the year goes on. So stay tuned for more Zodiac makeup inspired looks. Bye everyone.